Hi all, welcome. Today I've got unboxing for you. If you are following me on my Instagram, you know that initially I want to buy that new multi-pochette accessoire in cream or black, but I end up with this one. Now, as usual, my little boy will be helping me unboxing my new bag. Yes, it is a bag. I got it 2 days ago and I just got the time to do the video now. So here it is, the one that beat the multi-pochette accessoire. It is the Louis Vuitton Capucine Mini in Scarlett color. It is the perfect red in my opinion. Okay, I think I need to take over, but I need to ask you something. You think it's pretty?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
Now, let's talk a bit about the details of this bag. It is the Louis Vuitton Mini Capucine in Scarlett color with gold hardware. I'm not sure if this color is in classic line, but this shape is definitely a classic Louis Vuitton. This bag is made from Tourilon leather. It is all leather bag inside out, and it's a structure bag. Also, this bag is quite heavy for its size. It's a mini size. It's very small, but because it is all leather bag, it's heavy. Not like super heavy, but it's heavy. And it has one top handle here, also one flap to open and close the bag. Looks like this. The details on the flap here, so you can put the flap inside like this, or you can put it out like this. It's up to you. Inside is all leather with the same red color, and it comes with white leather strap that is not adjustable. I have tried this crossbody and it sits perfectly on me. I'm around 5'2", 5'3", so I like this length even though it's not adjustable. And here is the inside of the bag. It has 2 big compartments with one separator in the middle here, one slip pocket on the back, and this leather piece here to attach this flap when you close the bag like this. And the inside has 2 D-rings to attach the strap here. I have seen some capucine with the D-rings outside on the side here, which I think is better because it is easier and make the bag more balanced compared to the D-rings on mine here. But anyway, here is how my capucine looks. It's a very cute bag. The capucine has been on my list for a long time, but I wasn't sure which color to get and whether the mini size fits my phone. I have a big phone. Finally, I decided to get this one because it's the perfect red, the perfect size. My phone fits. I will show you. And also, the new release capucine with the scrunchy handles is just ridiculous in my opinion. Also, I see a lot of exotics from the new release, the snake skin and everything. I'm terrified of snakes, so that is not gonna happen. Now I will show you if my phone fits. It's a big phone, 6.5 inch. I have to do a little maneuver, but it fits with the case, so it's perfect for me. And this color is really pretty. In real life, this red is darker than shown in my camera here, so it is prettier in real life. Lastly, my lovely CA will be leaving Louis Vuitton soon, so I probably won't be shopping as much from Louis Vuitton anymore, hopefully, because I know it's never be the same without her. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Thank you for your time and see you again soon, guys. Bye.